Welcome guys, this is Optimal FS. Let me show you how to analyze a chart professionally. How to analyze a chart professionally with the concept of support and resistance and break and retest strategy. Now here is my chart. So if you look at my chart now, you will see the horizontal bars marking the support and the resistance. So here is my support down here, while up here is my resistance level. So if you watch, you see how from this point how the price move down here, get rejected here, get back to support, get to this level, come back again. Now this is, here are what the resistance level, while here are the support levels. Do you understand? Now if you move further, you will see that watch here closely. This is a break and retest concept. Watch here, you will see the price get to this level, back here, then breaks this, then back to it again. I've seen it. Now it gets to this resistance level and back to this support level. I've seen it. That is it. This is how to analyze a chart, a naked chart professionally. So here you need to make here buy entry here. So once it crosses this, resistance, the resistance will now serve as a support again. I've seen it. It moves above this resistance and it turns to support. I've seen it. So watch here. So this is the present this is the current chart. This is the current chart. As you can see, this current chart, as you can see. So the price at this level, as it breaks here, retest it, it gets to this gets rejected here, then it gets to this support level. Now here it breaks this resistance level, then it gets back to it. So here now this resistance level will now serve as a support level and the price will move up. Do you understand? So here now at this present chart, there are two possibilities here. There are two possibilities here. There are two possibilities here. One is that it's either the market, after getting to this support, it moves up, or it breaks this and get back to it and move can warm. So these are the two possible outcomes here. So if you can understand this support and resistance concept and break and retest concept, you will be able to analyze market very, very well and make excellent trades. Don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, share it, hit the subscribe button so that others will benefit. Thank you.